Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving deep into the world of gaming audio with a spotlight on the impressive JBL Quantum TWS Bluetooth gaming earbuds. Gaming audio has come a long way, and the landscape has shifted from traditional headsets to wireless earbuds like AirPods. Now, JBL enters the gaming earbuds scene with a bang, introducing the JBL Quantum TWS. These earbuds are a treasure trove of features that promise to elevate your gaming experience. Before we get into the review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The JBL Quantum TWS gaming earbuds come in a colorful box with the JBL logo and some features on the front and back. They won't break the bank, coming in at just $150 in the US. And the best part? Now it's on sale at 50% off, which means $74.95. But I got this for about $49.95. Inside the box, you'll find some extra ear tips, a USB-C cable, a charging case, the earbuds, a user manual, and a quick start guide. Speaking of the charging case, it's designed with a magnetic lid that securely snaps shut and showcases 3 LED lights up front, indicating the battery status. This case offers 2 additional charges, granting you an impressive 24 hours of playtime. It's worth noting, wireless charging isn't supported. 2.4 GHz wireless dongle is inside the case, and the dongle connects via USB-C and works with PC, Mac, PS4, PS5. It'll connect to most Bluetooth devices, but obviously not the PlayStation or Nintendo's handheld. It also doesn't connect to the Xbox. The earbuds have a matte black finish with the JBL logo. They look pretty cool and futuristic, and they feel very light and comfortable in the ears. Now, let's dive into the technical marvels. With a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, adaptive noise cancellation, and ambient pass-through, these earbuds deliver a well-rounded audio experience. They offer low latency 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity through the included dongle, as well as Bluetooth 5.2 for other devices. But what about battery life? You're looking at 8 hours of playtime, with an additional 16 hours from the charging case. And if you're in a hurry, a mere 15-minute charge will give you 3 hours of playback. Control is at your fingertips with touch controls on each earbud, whether it's playing or pausing music, answering calls, adjusting volume, activating your voice assistant, or toggling between noise cancellation and ambient mode. It's all a tap away. And here's the magic. These controls are not only responsive but also customizable using the JBL Quantum app on your smartphone. This app also lets you fine-tune sound settings, monitor battery levels and more. Now, let's talk about that audio quality. The JBL Quantum TWS gaming earbuds are powered by 10mm dynamic drivers, delivering impeccable sound with deep bass, balanced mids, and soaring highs, thanks to JBL Quantum surround sound technology. These earbuds create a gaming experience that's nothing short of immersive. Every footstep, gunshot, and explosion rings true, giving you that competitive edge. And here's the kicker, with the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle and desktop app combo, you can activate the 7.1 surround sound system for an audio adventure like no other. But that's not all. The JBL Headphones app is a game changer. It empowers you to tweak settings, manage power, adjust the EQ, and even locate your earbud. Dual source wireless ensures effortless switching between the dongle and Bluetooth with a simple tap, and those intuitive touch controls are also customizable, making them a breeze to use. For instance, you can connect the earbuds to your PC and phone simultaneously, seamlessly transitioning from gaming to a call. To set up your JBL Quantum TWS earbuds on your PC, you'll first need to download the JBL Quantum Engine app, which you can find on the JBL website. Once it's downloaded, follow the instructions to connect your earbuds. And once they're paired, the JBL Quantum Engine app becomes your command center for sound customization, EQ adjustments, and even enabling or disabling noise cancellation. To sum it up, the JBL Quantum TWS Bluetooth gaming earbuds are your ultimate gaming companions, offering versatility that won't disappoint. While there's room for improvement, their price point and features make them a solid choice for both gaming and everyday use. If you're ready to raise your audio game, check out the link in the description to grab your own pair. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button for more tech unboxing, upgrades, and reviews. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.